we're going to try to find the radius of a cone with the volume given to us. So this is a unique situation because they've given us the volume. Usually we're trying to figure out the volume, but they want us to work on the radius. The radius is going to be this dotted line here that runs to the center of a circle, so the base of this cone. I'm going to use question help to help me walk you through this. You're going to need a calculator as we work through it. So the volume of a cone is 27 pi cubic meters. What is the radius of the cone? We know that we have the height here, which is 9 meters, and we know that the volume inside of this cone equals 27 pi meters cubed. So here we go. The volume of a cone can be found by using the formula below, where r is the radius and h is the height. Now, I'm just going to remind you that we don't know r. We only know h, the height. So here's the formula. Volume equals 1/3 pi r squared times h. Now, we do know the volume, so we're going to plug in 27 on this side of the equal sign. So let's go ahead and get started. Substitute the known values in the formula. We know the volume is 27 pi, and we know the formula is 1/3 pi. R squared we don't know, but we do know h, which is 9. I'm going to check my answer. Should be correct. There we go. Now we're going to solve it. So they did a lot of this solving for you, but I'm going to walk you through how to do it. In order to solve this problem, we need to isolate this r squared. That's the number we're looking for, so we need to isolate r squared. In order to do that, we're going to multiply both sides of the equation by 3, because 3 is the opposite of 1/3. So you can see that they took this side times 3. Then we need to divide by 9 because 9 is multiplied over here. The opposite of multiplication is division. So divide by 9, and we need to divide by pi. Again, the opposite of multiplication is division. So basically what we're doing is we're moving this 1/3 to this side of the equal sign. We're moving pi to this side of the equal sign, and we're moving 9 to this side of the equal sign. We have to divide by 9 pi because it's the opposite of multiplication. We're going to multiply both of these times 3, which is why we have this over here. So in order to solve this, this is what we did. Pi's get rid of each other. They cross each other out. 27 times 3 is, I don't know. I don't have my calculator. But if I divide that answer by 9, I get 3 here. So now I have r squared equals 27 divided by 3. If you know your multiplication facts, you know 27 divided by 3 is 9. So r squared equals 9. But remember, we need r, not r squared. So we need to find the square root of 9. So if you plug into your calculator, square root of 9, you're going to get 3. That is your answer. The radius is 3.